the students, good morning. I think you are waiting for my class. That is next movement. That is called, what is that? Young Bengal movement. I not done that one, no. I am doing now. That is called another movement. That is called Young Bengal movement. What is the intention of this Young Bengal movement? Who started? Let's see. The Young Bengal movement was started in the year of 1820 to 1830. This was started by not an Indian fellow. It was started by one of the Anglo-Indian whose name is called Henry Louis Bevan de Rossio in the year of 1820. You got it now? This is not a movement, but it takes place in Bengal, the movement. But this movement is not done or started by Indian fellows. This was started by a European fellow. His name is called Henry Louis Bevan de Rossio. Okay, you got it. Now, where this movement started? This movement started in Kolkata in the state of West Bengal. What purpose it started? This movement started because North Indian or Bengal people want to modernize. We are in still superstition mind, blind belief, casteism, gender discrimination, discrimination based on the caste. These are the things is going on in Bengal, and they are purely traditional people. That should be removed. That should be vanished. Therefore, this movement and anything, chaluvali. Another English meaning is picketing movement, picketing, chaluvali. ಇದು ಬೆಂಗಾಲಿನ ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ ಎಂಬ ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಂಗ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಯಿತು ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ 1820. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನು? ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್? ದ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಮಾಡರ್ನೈಸ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ದಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ stage. Now come to the second stage. Here the Henry worked as a professor in the Hindu college in the year of 1826. Mind it, now Henry means you know Henry Louis de Rossio. He worked as a professor in Hindu college in the year of 1826. He is a professor. Okay. Now, becoming a professor, he was influenced by many students. The student of the Hindu college become the followers of Henry. Now, Henry worked as a professor in the Hindu college, and his words or his thought, his way of ideas was influenced to the college student. These college students, these means Hindu college students, become the followers. Therefore, he started the what is that? He encouraged or he interested to make the textbook preparation. He involved in making the textbook. In this textbook, he was given more important to the new ideas, new education system, old method of learning, old method of practicing. That should not be there. We want to give new ideas to the student, new thoughts to the student, and new way of education system want to be there in Bengal. He is thinking only in Bengal side. Okay. Therefore, he is a preparer of textbook activity. In this textbook, he adopted so many method of education system. this is not interested by Bengali traditional people. They are opposed on whom? Henry. Because he collected the so many things of modernizing the Bengal. That should not be interested by traditional people. Traditional ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯಸ್ಥ ಜನರು, ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂಥ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯದ ಜನರು ಹೆನ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಹೊಸ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮನ್ನು ವಿರೋಧಿಸಿದರು. They are opposed by the new types of or new system of education. Okay, but Henry did not bother about this. He don't care about this, and he inculcated the new things in a textbook. Therefore, still his thought, his idea was once again influenced the student. They are also once again, they have become the follower. It is support to the Henry to do any other thing. He is telling that education make the man to modernize. His main intention, education make the man modernize. Rational thinking create the what enlargement of mind, or enlightenment of thinking. What we are in superstition, we want to eradicate the superstition. Our mind should be very broad. Thinking should be very broad. Then only in our Bengal we can remove the superstition and also caste-based discrimination, caste-based social discrimination in Bengal. This is the main intention of whose? Henry. For this, so many given support. Youngsters given the support to the Henry. Like this, next he started the one association in the year of 1828. That association named as Academic Association. What he called? Academic Association. What it does in Academic Association? In Academic Association, they talk about the day-to-day issues, and also there is going on debate and discussion of social problem, superstition, casteism, humanism, about the God and the nature. They are in this academic association, they discuss, they do the debate with the help of youngster about the what are the things of superstition, caste discrimination, nature, humanism, and God. These are the things collected in academic association formed by the Henry in the year of 1828. Like this association is going on. So many, when there is a good thing, some are oppositors are there. So many Bengali people oppose this. They are corrupting the young generation. ಈ ಹೆನ್ರಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಯಂಗ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಕರಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವರ ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಅಪೋಸ್ ಬಂತು. ಬಟ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಾದರ್ಡ್. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಹೆನ್ರಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ. ತನ್ನ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವೇನೋ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೀಚ್ what he had a limitation to reach the whole Bengal, but it is limited. ಅವರ ಆಸೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಸೇರಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥೈಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ accepted these things. What is this thing? Nature, humanism, God, okay, superstition, caste-based discrimination. These are not taken by all equally in Bengal or in Kolkata. This was a fed with the Henry. Now he resigned from the teaching post. ತನ್ನ ಏನು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಇವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೆನ್ರಿ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡು ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್. ಇದರಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಸರ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ರಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾರಣ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಹೆನ್ರಿ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಹಿಂದೂ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ರೀಸನ್. And another reason is that so many opponents are created to him. Means opponents, enemies are created to the Henry Louis. Therefore, he was fed up by these things and resigned to his profession, that is called as a professor in Hindu college. But this is not much movement was encouraged to the people of Bengal, but limited youth are being encouraged. The Bengali people said that this fellow Henry was deviated or corrupting the younger people. Okay, that words was getting to the Henry. And he, within a small age, at a young age, after 22 years, now Henry Louis Vian Giorgio was died because of he got the diseases of cholera. I think you understand this, what I said. Now, recall the whatever I teach, that should be on the blackboard. Once again, I recall the point about the, what is that? Young Bengal movement taken place in Bengal because to modernize the Bengali people. That is the main intention of this movement. Got it?